Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily send disappearing photos on Snapchat. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Snapchat app. Then you can take a snap in that way, and after that you are able to set that snap as disappearing. All you have to do is just tap right here at that timer icon, and now you are able to select the exact time after that snap will disappear. As for me, now it's set by default to no limit, but you can drag it to select the exact amount of seconds. Let it be 3 seconds. You can just select it and then hit at send to. After that, you are able to select whom you want to send this snap in that way, and then just hit at send button to send that snap. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Snapchat tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.